Samsung is shaking things up in its A-series lineup with the introduction of two thrilling models, the Galaxy F55 5G and the Galaxy F35 5G. Spotted through Google Play console listings by Tech Outlook, we're getting a first look at what the Galaxy F55 5G will bring to the table. This device is set to impress with its Exynos 1480 processor and Mali G68 GPU, promising powerful performance capabilities. It comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM and will operate on Android 14, making it a formidable contender in the smartphone arena. Featuring a 6.5-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1080p and a 20:9 aspect ratio, the Galaxy F55 5G is expected to deliver crystal clear and vibrant visuals, enhanced by a screen density of 450 dpi. Its design mirrors the sleek, flat frame of the Galaxy F35 5G, ensuring a cohesive look across the series. A robust 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging capability means users won't have to worry about running out of power. The camera setup is rumored to include a versatile triple camera array with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro lens, alongside a 32 megapixels front camera for high-quality selfies. The anticipation for the Galaxy F55 5G's global release is mounting, especially since its predecessor, the Galaxy F54, made its debut in March 2023. We're expecting the F55 5G to be officially unveiled soon, potentially next month. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting additions to Samsung's A-series, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news. Peace out.